Tom.
Yeah, what's up guys? It's your boys G and J again. And we're back for the first time in a while on another engine rebuild for you guys. And hopefully we'll cover all of the rebuild for this for you. And this engine is...
It's a KX 125 two-stroke. I believe it's a 98 bike. It's an early old school. Yeah, so
nice.
it says KX 125 there, don't show the whole number, but yeah, KX 125.
That's the wrong way, yeah.
Swap it around that way. So KX 125.
125, yeah.
It was reported there's something wrong with a selector fork, I believe. Doesn't appear to be that much compression there. Just a handy quick reference from where we were before we start. Let's just do a quick. Going straight, there we go. Tight if you hold that, cameraman. So back it. So we got open. The reed valves are in, but it's open as if the throttle was fully open. So that's as much as you can give that. Oh dear. It's not a lot. I'm giving that everything by hand as well. Oh my god, it's a 70 I think we got there, is it? 50, 60, 67 if I'm being generous. I'll say it's about 67, 50, 60, just over 5, not quite to the 70. So it is low. It should be up to 150 at least. Should be right up here. Should be straight up through the middle. Minimum. I don't know if this was. I think it did run, to be fair, but. I mean, it's not in the frame and I can't actually kick it. I'm giving it everything I can with my hand. Obviously bad back and shoulder, I'm trying to do my best with it like that. It's not a great result. I expected a bit more than that, but
okay.
I mean, they say about 90 psi, pounds per square inch, to for the engine to run.
Right. So what's there is pretty low, really.
Yeah, it's lower than even what is expected. I'm not sure if it was a runner. Yeah, we'll test the gearbox before we strip it all. I'll get this cover off afterwards, but first of all we want to make sure that there's no oil in there, because we've done that before. Screw the adapter back on there so we don't lose it. 14 it is, I believe. Yeah. Don't know if the oil's been drained out beforehand. Hopefully it was. It's been transported up here in the back of the boot. There's something in it. No, not a lot.
That's just dripping out.
Yeah, it's dribble on it. Deal with that. What's it look like? bit of metal in it. You can see like, if you can see it moving around there.
Yeah,
it's like little bits moving.
Yeah. It's focused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a little few bits moving there, a couple of shiny bits in there, so
Definitely
something's going on in there. I believe it's been reported a bent selector
right.
on the box. So with that metal in there, that would indicate that there is something rubbing inside the box that shouldn't be. And quite often if there is a bent selector, there's two pads on a selector either side that runs on the gear.
Yeah.
And if the two pads wear away, it then rubs all the way around the selector. So you get a big C mark all the way around it, and if that's the case, that would be why you've got all that metal around. So, it's either bent or worn.
You can't see through this view glass. Well, it's empty now anyway, isn't it? So, yeah.
So we did have a gear. Let's run through them. So we got first, neutral, second, no third.
No third.
No third.
Right.
Yeah, no third.
Okay. Have reverse on this as well?
No, no reverse. Because it's a bike,
Right.
motocross, and yeah, I think it's a KX motocross.
Oh,
2-stroke.
no third gear then.
No, no third gear. Low compression, no third gear so far. So we'll start with this side, get that off. It's the easiest one to go from. Right, gear selector. It's above that bolt. Just take a reference so that it goes back on. Know what height the customer had it at. Got a nice lever that is as well, there's no play in that. Bit of wear on the paint,
Yeah,
but
it's
it's
an
not.
Apico one as
Yeah,
well.
it's nice. It's probably like 30-40 quid's worth.
Yeah. That's the lever. A nice one.
Yeah, nice green as well to go with the KX. Don't want to open these too much because it may break. It's just very slight upwards pressure with them. See. Tight. Teeth are a little bit chewed, there's loads of dirt on it, I should probably put it on dirty.
As you can see, the teeth ain't the best.
There's a teeth on that, I don't know if you can pick that up, just very on that top bit there.
Let's focus. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
First little layers worn out. Still a bit of water in there as well, just noticed. See if it's got a racing flywheel, shall we?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a mount snapped off there as well for the chain guards. Oh, it's definitely a small one, isn't it? I think it's factory. It's going to be fun to undo as well. What's that, 12, isn't it? Somewhere locking it up.
Try your fuel remover thing. That might do it, isn't it?
Bloody damn good shout, G, man. Bloody good shout.
Happy days.
Good shout, G. I wouldn't have even thought of that, mate. Try twisting it the right way. Without damaging the sensor, crank sensor.
Happy days.
Easy. It's a new little method we learnt. Nice, G, man.
Yeah. About the right size, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, now we've got a. I still haven't bought the tool to do this. It's only £8. I keep forgetting about it. It screws into there and pushes on the centre nut.
Okay.
So there is end float, so that works in our favour. Trying to find Bob the Builder.
Oh yeah.
Here he is.
There he is.
Bob the Builder. Right, so it's not technically the right way of doing this. You got your strong hand there, G.
Yeah, can do.
You can either push down on that, give it a good, not loads, because obviously you don't want to crack the edge of the case, just enough to lift it up.
Yep.
Space. Who needs special tools?
Right.
Alright.
What's going on?
Bit of crack in there, nothing to worry about.
What did you say was wrong with that?
He said there was something wrong with the gearbox. He thought the selector was bent. The previous owner reported that the selector was bent, so I've tested the compression. There's only like 67 psi compression, so that's pretty shit. And I can get first, second, but no third. I can't get any more than third from it. So
Definitely gearbox.
yeah, that's it. Take it off, have a look in it.
Come on, G.
Yeah, you're right, mate.
Yeah, sound.
Cool, cool.
Warm, isn't it?
You just walk down, is it?
Oh,
Boiling.
bloody freezing in here. You coming out the farm this weekend on your clean bike?
No, quite top.
Too clean to ride up the farm now.
Yeah, that's too clean from there.
We missed you.
I'm just going to go to Barclay MX or something like that after that one and come out of there now and do the tracks.
Johnny head on.
You can't have fun if isn't it? Huh?
This
And it's
week
not a
was.
circuit there, is it, Dwayne? You go anywhere you want, you've got to watch what you're doing, and the kids flying around there. Fuck that shit. And my bike's too clean.
Dear, oh dear.